Unboxing the fast push bubble game console. Hey everyone! Today, we're unboxing the handheld sensory toy fast push bubble game console. Let's see what makes this toy a must-have for kids. With 4 exciting modes to choose from, kids can train their reactions while having a blast. Check out how they're mastering their skills and having fun at the same time. This toy is perfect for keeping my kids engaged and focused. It's also great for sensory play. This toy turns playtime into a fun challenge that enhances reaction skills. Perfect for birthdays or Christmas. It's the gift that keeps on giving. Give the gift of joy and skill building with a fast push bubble game console. Your kids will thank you for it. So if you want to give the gift of fun and skill building this holiday season, grab the fast push bubble game console. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more toy reviews.